Hi for everyone. Yeah. So it's time for Yaris. Oh, still working. and I think it's about +2. +2. Little rainy, but it's no problem. Okay, let's go. What we have? We have some scrapyard in here. Din 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 din. Okay, this I will. This. Ой, блин. Where is the focus? No focus. Oh, focus. Hello for everyone. Do you remember this Yaris? I received it on the tow truck. It was no gears actuator, no clutch actuator. It was all out. And I fixed it. One working day. Look at this. But story not about it, because it was really was the gears actuator was broken. Someone has broke small part, so I'm welded. In any case, I fix it and it's okay. It's good. And what I want to show you, how in this model, how to remove and install back the gears actuator. Okay, look at this. No, you see, it's still in this situation. Missed some bolts. Okay, now I will show you how to remove it and install back in right position. So, need to remove the battery. Up. Also need to remove this plate under the battery, and you will see this is the clutch actuator and this is the gears actuator. So first we need to remove clutch actuator. How I do it? Look at this. Push the screwdriver and turn it up. Yes. Now we have this connector. Okay. And this connector. Yes. Okay. Now we have this one and this one. Yes. Okay, let's remove this actuator. It holds on 3 bolts, but I have only 2 at this moment. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, this is the clutch actuator. And what we have? I have this gears actuator. It holds on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1 bolt from bottom. Okay, to remove it, need to remove. In any case, you need to remove. This is this sensor. It's a neutral sensor, and this bolt. Let's look at this. Oop. This without washer, and this sensor with washer. Be careful. Okay. And 1 bolt from this side. It's something like this. Need to open it. And other bolts from this side. Also, you can remove this bolt, and you can see this. This is the position of neutral. Only in this position we need to remove it and install back. Only in this position. Now, okay. Oop. And now what we have? We have this gears actuator. You see? So what I want to show you? I want to show you some of point. Look at this. I will turn. You see, this point must be on this point. This on this. Okay? And okay, now I will remove the sensor. And when the shaft is fully down, it must be, you see, on this position. If I will pull this by the end, it must be on this position. That's all. Now put back the sensor. Now need to put it onto the middle. Right. Oh, it's easy. Yes, something like this. Hey. And now yes, it's on the middle. Now it must go easy with no any force. Oh. For some. This. This is the neutral sensor. Опа. Так. Bolt 18. Okay. Now and now clutch actuator. Look at this. So we need to install it and push. That it will no gap in this area, okay, to clutch fork. So I put the bolts. Now I'm push it inside, add maximum, and tight it. Yes. See? It's no gap, no clearance. Now we have connectors. This one. This one. Yours. Okay, let's make the test drive.